start with the traditional architecture, where a client interacts directly with a massive monolith. This single application handles all functions, from user management to billing, and relies on a shared monolith database. Migrating such a large monolith to microservices all at once is a high-risk, big bang approach. This complex and costly endeavor often leads to migration paralysis, keeping companies stuck on old tech. To begin the gradual migration, an API gateway is introduced. All client requests now pass through this gateway, which initially routes traffic to the existing massive monolith. This prepares for future service redirection. The first step in strangling the monolith is to identify a specific function, like billing, and extract it into a new independent billing service. The API gateway routes billing requests to this new service, which now has its own billing database. Following the same pattern, user management is extracted into a dedicated user service. The API gateway routes user-related requests to this new service, which also manages its own user database. Over time, more functions are incrementally extracted from the massive monolith. Each new service takes over specific responsibilities, and the gateway routes traffic correctly. The monolith's responsibilities shrink, becoming less critical. Eventually, all critical functions are migrated to new independent microservices. The massive monolith is now completely strangled, having no active responsibilities left. It can be safely turned off and decommissioned.